Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change publication name on Substack. First thing you will have to do is to go here to More and click on Settings. This will take you to your settings and you can click on your publication that you want to change the name of. So let's say I want to change name of this publication. I will click on that and now go to Settings again down here. And now you will be taken to this page, and here, as you can see, publication name is right here. You can change it if you want. Just click something else. So new name for this publication and then press save right here. As you can see, you can also change publication short description. And if you go all the way down, then you will be able to see danger zone, and you can change publication subdomain as well. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.